In a world where communities need electricity to thrive, and the demand for affordable energy is universal, there's a challenge. Due to the dependence on fossil fuels and the rising cost of living, many struggle to afford their essential energy needs. But what if there was a solution? What if we could change this narrative? What if the future of energy is in your hands? Imagine a world where everyone, regardless of their financial situation, has access to affordable energy solutions. It's time to take control of your energy usage, save some money, and break free from the grid. With solar panel funding, you're not just choosing clean energy, you're choosing a brighter, better world for us all. New look, same mission, empowering communities.